If you ever hold in a sneeze, stop doing it immediately. When you block a sneeze, the pressure doesn't disappear. It explodes back inside your head. That pressure can burst tiny blood vessels in your eyes. It can tear your eardrum, and in rare cases, it can even injure your throat. Doctors have real medical cases caused by holding sneezes. Your body created sneezing as a safety release valve. Blocking it forces the damage inward. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming, don't trap it. Let your body protect itself.